Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Rackspace for cloud hosting, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with Rackspace for cloud hosting, first, visit the Rackspace website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required details such as your email address and chosen password. After submitting your information, verify your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log into the Rackspace dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its layout and features. Select the cloud option from the main menu. Click on Create Server to begin setting up your cloud host. Choose the operating system that best suits your needs. Select the server size based on your anticipated traffic and performance requirements. Review additional options such as server location and security settings. Configure any additional features you may need, such as backups or monitoring. Review your selections and pricing in the summary section. Click on Create Server to initiate the setup process. Wait a few moments for Rackspace to deploy your server. Once the server is ready, you will receive an email notification. Return to the dashboard and navigate to Servers to view your newly created server. Locate the server and note its IP address for future access. To connect to your server, use an SSH client if it is a Linux server, or remote desktop for a Windows server. Enter the provided IP address and your credentials to access your server. Once logged in, begin installing any necessary software or applications. Configure your server settings to optimize performance and security. Regularly monitor your server's performance through the Rackspace dashboard. Explore additional services such as load balancing and content delivery networks as needed. For support, utilize the Rackspace customer service options available on their website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.